Hello, my name is Hirotori Baroka. I'm a student in Microverse. We are in the Ruby Capstone project. I'm here with my team, Nate, Love. Can you present yourself?
Hello, my name is Kanombola, and I'm a student at Microverse, also part of the Capstone project. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. My name is Steven. I'm also a student of Microverse and a partner to this Ruby Capstone project. Thank you very much.
Now we're going to present you our work. This project is a Capstone project. It is a catalog of things. We create this application. It is a console application that allows users to manage collection of things. We developed this application based on this UML diagram. Now, let's run the code and see what is the result in our console. I want to run the code is Ruby main.l. When we run the code, we give to the user options. We can see to list all book, all music, game, genre, label, author, add book, add music, add game, or exit. I'm going to present you the feature to list all book, list all label, and add book. When user select one, he gets the list of all the book we store in our storage in our item.json. He can also list all label by pressing the K5. We have here all label. It can also add book by selecting 7, the name of the book. Let's say hero. Publisher is Freedom, and the cover, let's say it's bad, and 2011 09 10. You can see that the book created successfully. We can list again the book to see that it's stored in all our books, and when user exit, this book will store in our item.json like this. You can see that at the end of our book, we have this, the last book we add. We can check it by, we can run again our code, our application, and try to list all book. We should see the book here. Thank you. And I'm going to present you which code I'm put off. I'm put off this piece of code. We publish that to be able to compare it with today's date and decide if it can be achieved or not. It's my first time to use this library in Ruby. Thank you. Now I'm going to give the floor to Bilal to present you the next part, another feature in our coding. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much, Baroka. I will proceed to share my part of the code. And I'll just proceed to run the app. So these are the features. Baroka's talked about his features. I was working on the feature to add a game to the app, to add a game. So I will first list the number of games because I added some games here already. And you can see here, there are this number of games inside our application. I will test if I can add a game That's by choosing option 9 here. So I will hit option 9, enter the name of the game. We can say Hangman. Hangman, for example. Published dates could be that date. The last time we played that game could be maybe 2022, 0301. Okay, is the game multiplayer? No, it's not. So you can see here, it says the game has been added successfully. And when I exit, it saves the game in my items. So I will now proceed to talk about like what I was most interested in, the piece of code I was proud of in this application. I have this method inside my module, and it's called multiplayer. I added here a case to control when the user enters a wrong option, because I'm only allowing 2 options. So I will run this again and try to add a game. Option 9, enter name of the game, RT4 2020 0304. That's now, instead of hitting Y or N, I'll hit K, and you see here it tells me to please enter Y or not. So this is my most favorite part of the game. So thank you very much. Okay, so my partner Stephen will continue from where I left off.
Okay, so thank you very much, beloved. Share my screen. Okay, so in this Ruby Capstone project, I was responsible for the music album and the genre albums adding to the catalog of the user. Okay, so I'll start by running Ruby main.rb. Okay, which shows an options you can choose from. So to list all the music albums I've added to this project, you press on 2, which gives you the list of all the music albums you've added. To list all the genres, you press 4, which will give you all the genres being added, that's hip hop, comedy, and reggae. So to add a music album to this project, click on number 8. The album name can be Rootman. Is the album on Spotify or not? Say no. Which year did this album be? 2002. The month 8. Okay, so you can see that our music album has been added successfully. So in order to check, we just go out of this, and you can see we have left the application, and as you can see, our music album has been added to the items.json. Rootman, which is not on Spotify, the date and the music album name. So let's run back into our code Ruby main.rb to check if our music that we just created has been added to the list of all music albums. So for that, you click on 2 to check. You can see that our music album has been added. That is the Rootman, which was published at this day, and it's not on Spotify. Okay, so the piece of code I am really proud of is about the storing of data inside the JSON files. You know, some of us are new to Ruby, and this is new to us. So this main piece of code, it's like a piece of code storing information into the JSON files, which is new to me on Ruby, which I've always been doing it in JavaScript. So with writing this piece of code and having in-depth knowledge about storing the files in JSON, I'm really proud of this piece of code right here. Okay, so thank you very much.
Thank you. And thank you, Bilal, for your hard work. I will enjoy to work with you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you to Baruka.
Thank you.